Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Knowledge. This video is about 62 world's rare stamps. Vatican City 1996 500L travels of Pope John II, silver omitted, mint example with salvage, lacking silver in the bottom panel and at top right square. Ryukyu's Island 1966 1.5 cent, Pincata horse, gold omitted, crisp impression, precise centering and rich vibrant colors. Russia 1931 50K grey blue airpost, error of color, mint never hinged block with salvage at the left. Now blocks are rare, squad number C23A. Italy 1852 half B black on grey blue, strip of 6, gutter interspazio between 5th and 6th. Second stamp from right noted as Otto Philately. China 1915 $2 blue and black hall of classics, center inverted and guide line at the left. It has original gum and is well centered for this. Vatican City 1946 1.5 L on 1L brown and black double surcharge, block of 4 with salvage at the top, mint never hinged and very fine. Ryukyu's Island 1959 9 cent on 5Y blue green airpost inverted surcharge, mint never hinged, flawless centering and brilliantly fresh. China 1897 4 cent on 3 cent red revenue small format with broken N in cents. Most of the surviving small 4 surcharges are unused. Vatican City 1951 25 L Consul of Children horizontal pair imperforate between, Scott number 150A. China 1897 9 Kandarin yellow green Mollendorf printing, 2 vertical pairs imperforate between in a block of 4 with salvage at right, only 10 pairs were printed. Marshall Island 1897 3 Fanning light yellowish brown, Jalute printing interpenna gutter salvage at the bottom, lightly hinged, well centered and scarce. Vatican City 1931 10 cent dark green and light green, frame omitted, original gum and one of the key rarities of the early period, only 100 exist. San Marino 1933 20L on 3L carmine instead of green, perforated specimen Zeppelin issue, mint example with corner salvage. Mongolia 1943 60M green with light purple cancel, it is well centered with large margin, strong color and clear impression. Scott number 82. Tonga 1950 1 penny to 1 shilling Queen Salute 50th birthday imperforate proofs, mint never hinged blocks of 4 in issued colors. Next is from China 1897 50 cent black green imperial Chinese post, error of color, block of 4 with interpenna gutter at the left, Scott 94A. Long Island's 1916 2.5 P on 1P violet and buff, rich color on fresh paper, only 25 were printed with only 13 unused recorded. Sudan 1951 20P black and blue green, official overprint inverted, only recorded as used with a few thought to exist. Scott O59A. China 1912 50 cent yellow green Nankin issue, Republic of China provisional neutrality, much better centering than usual, only 87 were issued. Long Island's 1916 6P black on thin wove paper, revenue and error for revenue, carbon copy plate 3 position 13 without gum. Hungary 1959 60F landing of Leonic 2 red overprint omitted, mint example with salvage at the top, uncommonly well centered. Russia 1924 10K on 5R green, white 5, horizontal pair with original gum and deeply rich color. Any multiple of the white 5 variety is rare. China 1945 $200 on $20 violet and blue, perforation 12.5. This stamp usually comes as perforation 14. China Yunnan Province 1933 25 cent blue London printing, minor hinge remnant fresh fine and well centered, chain Y39. Lebanon 1905 $2 grey green with light postal cancel, rich color on fresh paper, well centered. Now used are rare than unused. Now Spain 1873 10P violet brown with part original gum and paper adherence on the back. It has rich color and fine appearance. Spain 1874 10p black with original gum hinge remnant and small adherence on the gum, center to right 3 clear margins re-perforated at the left. Turkey 1876 25p dull rose original gum small hinge remnant fresh and fine example of this very scarce stamp that was prepared but not issued. Great Britain 1867 5 shilling pale rose plate 2 lettered IH unused no gum attractive color and fine and rare. Great Britain 1862 9 pence bister color letter GE lovely color re-perforated at the bottom fine condition and scarce original gum example. Taiwan 1950 $5 to $20 3 high values of the first flying geese surcharges without gum as issued all are well centered. Danzig 1936 10 fanning plus 5 fanning milk can tower imperforate top left corner sheet margin numbered block of 4 mint example. Spain 1936 30 cent dark blue perforation 11 original gum. Genuine examples are few and far between as vast majority in the market are forgeries. Great Britain 1979 1p crimson head tie B1 bottom right corner marginal imperforate pair unmounted original gum. USA Christmas black color omitted mint transitional strip of 3 right stamp the error the middle stamp partly missing black only 10 are recorded. North Borneo 1892 1 cent on 4 cent rose surcharged on face and back neat Sandakan October 20 circular date stamp. Next is Somaliland Protectorate 1906 2A9p International Reply Coupon unused block of 4 with large margins and fresh and very fine condition. Tobago 1879 5 shilling slate excellent color neat registered cancel nice centering amid generous margins. Sudan 1905 1M Brown and Carmine Army official Army reading down I error tied to small piece by light cancel and it is well centered. Germany office in China 1930 fanning orange and black on salmon provisional hand stamp it has original gum rich color and is well centered. Germany 1923 800 on 500m light green Velzo circular date stamp rare to find certified as postly used within the proper period. Vatican City 1987 3500L Olympilex souvenir sheet vertically miscut and shifted to left mint example Sezzoni number F9B. Vatican City 1956 35L 200L Madonna issue plate proofs matched set of bottom right corner margin singles. Now next is from Australia 1913 1 shilling emerald inverted first watermark original gum scarce in unused condition Scott number 10C. China 1949 $2 million on $20 red brown perforation 14.5 bottom salvage without gum well centered and small natural paper inclusion. Denmark 1878 S Bister perforation 12.5 and salvage at the left it has original gum and it is faintly hinged. China People's Republic 1938 undenominated deep red running soldier used example with portion of a circular cancel. Next is Faroe Island 1919 2 ore on 5 ore green slightly disturbed original gum well centered and fresh slight overprint offset on the back but very fine. Greenland 1905 5 ore brown parcel post perforation 12.25 2 singles that were originally a pair tied on a piece by styrel sen and crown cancels. India Kishangarh 1918 to Anna yellow official issue without gum as issued large even margins all around and bright color Scott number 034. German state Bavaria 2 mark King Ludwig 3 piece printing imperforate block of 4 mint never hinged with large margins and it is well centered. Germany Bavaria 1911 Leupold 10m and 20m horizontal imperforate pairs with original gum and never hinged condition Scott 90A and 91A. Iraq 1932 25F on 4 Anna's purple brown fleece surcharge error it has original gum and it is well centered and fresh. Now, Germany Bavaria 1 cruiser grey black plate 2 full margins and bright color cancelled by closed mill wheel postmark 372. German State Baden 30 cruiser bright yellow orange perfectly mint never hinged and center to bottom right fresh radiant colors and fine to very fine. Michel 22A USA 22 cent Pan American Games silver omitted mint never hinged center to top right all known examples are off centered and only 30 are reported. USA 20 cent Science and Industry black omitted error in a transitional pair with second stamp showing part of black engraved but without title or denomination. India Jaipur 1931 1R red orange official without gum as issued brilliant colors well centered and margined. Germany post World War II occupation 1949 Gothic complete set of singles original gum never hinged and fine to very fine. Gold Coast 1875 6 pence orange original gum hinged uncommonly well centered with clear margins. It has rich vibrant color and very fine condition. Germany post World War II occupation 1951 Albert Lotzing single original gum never hinged nicely centered and fine to very fine. Serbia 1866 10p orange perforation 12 light blue boxed cancel slightly center to right but ample to nice margins. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.